Hello students, welcome to the sixth video of function class. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So stop. Today we are going to discuss some other type of functions and some problems. Last class we are already discussed the function like that logarithm function, then a trigonometric function, square root function, square function, cube function and a reciprocal function. Okay. Now another function, odd function and a even function. First we discuss even function. Even function. So even function means a function f of x is said to be even function if f of minus x equal to f of x. If we write minus x in place of x, it will be the same function obtained, then that function is known as even function. Do you understand? तेणु जो फंक्शन रे x जगह माइनस x जदि आम रिप्लेस करवा, if you will get the same function, then that is known as a even function. If we get a minus of fx, then that function is known as odd function. तेणु x जगह माइनस x रिप्लेस कले जदि सेम फंक्शन आसीबो, that is called even function. नहीं सेम फंक्शन न आसी माइनस जदि से फंक्शन आसीबो, then that is known as a odd function. Okay. For example, even function. For example of even function cos x. If we take fx equal to cos x, cos of minus x, you know cos of minus x equal to cos x. जदि आम x जगह माइनस x लिखा तो cos of minus x equal to cos x. That's why cos x is a even function. Comma sec x, you know sec of minus x is also sec x. X square, you know minus x whole square equal to x square, then that is also even function. You know mod x equal to minus x mod x equal to minus x mod, so mod x is also even function. Okay. Next, x fourth, x sixth, like that x to the power 2n, where n belongs to capital N. These are known as even function. Or any constant function k, where k 1 or 2 or 3, if we put fx equal to k, then f of minus x is also k. So these are all are even function. These are the etc. These are the example of even function. Okay. So where k is constant, what is k? K is constant. Next, odd function. Odd function. A function f of x is said to be odd function. Odd function if f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So which one is the odd function? For example, You know sin x, sin of minus x, if we write minus x in place of x, what happen? Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x. That's why sin x is an odd function. Tan x, tan of minus x is also minus tan x. Cot x, cot of minus x is also minus cot x. Cosec x, so cosec of minus x is also minus cosec x, comma x cube, like that x to the power 2n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N, n belongs to capital N. So these are the odd function, etc. So these are all are the odd function. Okay. So how can you test the given function is odd function and even function? So to verify odd or even function, first you have to replace minus x, write minus x in place of x, then simplify. If we get the same function, then that is an even function. तेणु odd function even function test करिया गले तमे minus x लिखिबो x जगह रे ताको सिंप्लीफाई करिवो, सिंप्लीफाई कले जदि सेम फंक्शन आसी देन दिस इज ए इवन फंक्शन, नाइ माइनस दिस फंक्शन आसी देन दैट इज ए ऑड फंक्शन. जदि माइनस से फंक्शन आसनु कि प्लस ऑफ से फंक्शन आसनु गोटे एनदर फंक्शन आसियो, न्यू फंक्शन आसियो, देन दैट फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑड फंक्शन, नेदर ऑड फंक्शन नॉर इवन फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, बट f of x equal to e to the power x or a to the power x or 2 to the power x, etc. These are neither odd nor even function, are neither odd nor even function. No exponential function da केबे भी ऑड फंक्शन हबो कि इवन फंक्शन हबो नाइ. ओके. नाउ सो फॉर एग्जांपल टेस्ट द फॉलोइंग फंक्शंस, आर odd and even. Test the following functions are odd and even function. Number 1, x into a to the x minus 1 by a to the x plus 1. Number 2, log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Number 3, x cube sin 4th x plus cos q x into plus x to the power 7, okay, cos x plus x into tan square x into tan square x. Okay. Number 4, then this is a to the x or log of, root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square, and 51 is log of x plus root over x square plus 1. So how can you test the following functions are even and odd function? Let answer 1. Let fx equal to x into a to the power x minus 1 by a to the power x plus 1. So put x equal to minus x. Now f of minus x equal to minus x into a to the power minus x minus 1 by a to the power minus x plus 1. You have to write minus x in place of x, and this is equal to minus x into 1 by a to the power x minus 1 by a to the power x plus 1. Okay. So this one minus x into 1 by a to the power x minus 1. So which is 1 minus a to the power x by a to the power x, here 1 plus a to the power x. Okay. Now take it LCM a to the power x. So a to the power x, a to the power x cancel, and this is equal to minus of, if we take it common, so minus into minus a to the power x minus 1 by a to the power x plus 1 into x. So minus into minus plus, so x into a to the power x minus 1 by a to the power x plus 1. So this is equal to 8 f of x. So f of minus x equal to f of x. F of minus x equal to f of x. Therefore, the function fx equal to x into a to the power x minus 1 by a to the power x plus 1 is an even function. Okay. So number 2, fx equal to log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. How to test whether it is even or odd function? Now we replace minus x in place of x. Replace minus x in place of x. So put x equal to minus x. Put x equal to minus x. So f of minus x equal to log of 1 minus of minus x by 1 plus minus x, and which is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and take its reciprocal value. So this is log of 1 by 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay. Now there is a property log m by n or log x by y. So log x by y means log x minus log y. Log 1 minus log x minus y. So log, let it be considered x and let it be considered y. So you know there is a property log of x by y means log x minus log y. This is y. Okay. So but you know log 1 equal to 0. Log 1 equal to 0. So 0 minus log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, and this is known as minus f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore fx equal to log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is odd function. So this one is a odd function. Now we test the third number, number 3. Here fx equal to xq into sin x fourth plus x to the power 7 into cos qx plus x into tan square x into tan square x. Now replace minus x in place of x. So f of minus x whole cube into sin of minus x power 4 plus minus x to the power 7 into cos of minus x cube plus minus x into tan of minus x square. Minus x cube equal to minus x cube. Sin of minus x fourth means sin of minus x whole fourth. You know sin of minus x minus sin x, but minus sin x power 4. So this is fourth power of sin x. X to the power minus 7. Minus x to the power 7 means minus x to the power 7. But cos of minus x cube means cos of minus x equal to cos x. So cos of minus x, that is cos x whole q. This one is cos qx, and this is minus, this one is cos qx. Here minus x into tan of minus x. So tan of minus x square. You know tan of minus x means minus 10x, but minus 10x whole square, that is minus 10x whole square, this is 10 square x. So this one is minus x into 10 square x. Okay, now take it minus as a common. So x cube into sin 4th x plus x plus 7 into cos qx plus x into 10 square x. So you will get the minus of f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus fx. Therefore, this one is the odd function. So this is also odd function. Okay. Now we test another function. You can do yourself. 4 number. You will try this one. Next, log of x plus root over x square plus 1. You can do this problem also, whether it is a odd function and a even function. This one is also odd function. एटा भी odd function होबो, निजे try करो, हैला? अच्छा. Now we do some other result of the odd and even function. Okay, one note, even function ro power any positive integer, this one is always even function. Even function power must be an positive integer. Even function power n, where n belongs to capital N, is even function. Even function. You know, गोटे even function रो power टा odd integer हो कि even integer हो, it must be an even function. Odd function रो power टा, so the odd integer means 2n, where n belongs to capital N. So 2n is the positive integer. तेणु गोटे odd function पावरटा गोटे जदि positive integer रहिबो, this is always we will get a even function. Odd function पावरटा the odd integer आसीबो 2n plus 1 where n belongs to capital N. This one is a odd function. तेणु odd function पावरटा जदि odd integer थिबो, it is always odd function. Odd function of power ta even integer achi means this one is a even function. Okay. Next, odd function into odd function. Odd function equal to even function. Then odd function को odd function से multiply कले, you will get a even function. Similarly, even function into even function, this one is also even function. Odd function into even function, this one is a odd function. Odd into even, odd function. Even into odd, odd function. Odd plus odd function. Odd function plus odd function, which is odd function, even function plus even function. This one is even function, but odd function plus even function. This is totally neither odd nor even. Okay. Every constant function is an even function. Constant means fx equal to 1, fx equal to 2, these are even function. But fx equal to 0, which is both odd and even. Fx equal to 0, which is both odd and even function. Okay. Now there is a property of a logarithm function. We leave this one. आमर logarithm function आ गोटे property अच्छी मुझे क्लास रे छाड़ दी थी सेटा देखो रिकॉल कर देबी जे e to the power log x base e. This is a very important property. E to the log x base e. This one is x. Like that e to the power log fx. बेस किसी ना e रहिबो सब logarithm function रो नहीं कि so this one is fx. E to the log star, this one is star. Remember this one, e to the log fx equal to fx. Why it is e to the log fx equal to fx? Because if we take a logarithm on both sides, then you will get the LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now log x base a equal to b. If log x base a, this one e1 to third property. Log x base a equal to b, then x equal to b to the power, sorry, a to the power b. X equal to a to the power b. Like that log x base e equal to a, then x equal to e to the power a. Okay, log x base a equal to b, then x equal to a to the power b. Log x base a, log x base e equal to a, then x equal to e to the power a. Why? Because if we take a log on both sides, देखो एट जदि हमें log नेबा, log x equal to log of e to the power a. You know log x equal to log e to the power a means a log e, but log e equal to 1, so a is equal to log x, a is equal to log x base e. एट बेस किसी ना e रहिबो नहीं कि तेणु log x base एटा जदि b हबो x equal to b to the power a हबो, log x base e equal to a हेले x टा e to the power a. So logarithm function and exponential function both are inverse to each other. These are inverse to each other. Log x, okay. So log x logarithm function and exponential function or log x base a and a to the power x are inverse to each other. Inverse to each other. Because if x is equal to e to the power a, then x equal to e to the power a, then a equal to log x base e, then a equal to log x base e. Okay, so or log x equal to b, then x equal to a to the power b. So these are the properties of logarithm function. ए property टा हमें logarithm function रे लिखि दे परिबा ना नहीं जेतु से सेडी हमें properties टा मु कोइ नथिले एडी कोइली. So for every function, whatever may be the function fx, f of x plus f of minus x is always even function. F of x minus f of minus x is always odd function. तेणु fx टा जो function हेले भी f of x और f of minus x टा even होबो and this one is odd function. Now to test proof. Let proof of 1. Let gx equal to f of x plus f of minus x. Now we test this one is even function. So replace minus x in place of x. So g of minus x equal to f of minus x plus f of minus of minus x. This one is x. Okay. So which is equal to f of x plus f of minus x, and this is equal to g of x. So g of minus x equal to g of x, therefore gx is even function. So this is even function. Okay, this one is even function. Next, number 2. Suppose h of x, let h of x equal to f of x minus f of minus x. Now we test this one is a odd function. If we replace minus x in place of x, h of minus x equal to f of minus x minus minus of minus x, this one is fx. Now take it common, minus. So f of x minus f of minus x, and this is known as h of x. So h of minus x equal to minus h of x. So this one is a odd function. Odd function. So f of x plus f of minus x is even function, and f of x minus f of x is odd function. Next, number 2, note 3, every function fx can be expressed as the sum of even and odd function. Sum of even and odd function. So every function can be expressed as the sum of even and odd function. That is f of x. F of x equal to f of x plus f of minus x. This is even function plus f of x minus f of minus x. This one is odd function, but right side is not equal to left side. Kahi f of minus x it minus it fx plus fx rahla 2fx rahla. So jodi ame by 2 kar deba, then we will get right hand side is equal to left hand side. So this one is a half into f of x plus f of minus x plus f of x minus f of minus x by 2. So clearly this is even function and this one is a odd function. So this is even function plus and this is a odd function. Okay. So every function f of x equal to half into f of x plus f of minus x plus half into f of x minus f of minus x by 2. So the first part is even function and the second part is the odd function. So every function can be expressed as the sum of even function and odd function. Okay. This is the even and this one is the odd function. Now we do some problem how to express the following function as the sum of even and odd function. Express the following functions as the sum of even and odd functions. Number 1 plus x square. Number 2 e to the x into sin x. Number 3 x to the power 5 into cos x. Okay. Now we do the first problem, that is first we take fx equal to 1 plus x square. Answer 1. Let fx equal to 1 plus x square. So what is f of minus x? So f of minus x equal to 1 minus x plus minus x square. This is x square. You know fx equal to f of x plus f of minus x by 2 plus f of x minus f of minus x by 2. Clearly this is an even function and this one is an odd function, and replace the value of f of x and f of minus x. So 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x plus x square. Are you understand? By 2 plus this one is 1 plus x square. Okay. Minus 1 minus x plus x square. So by 2. Next you can express in this way. So this one is even function and this one is odd function because minus sign is there. So this one is odd and this one is even function plus even function. Sorry, odd function. This one is odd function. Okay. So further you cannot simplify. Tome eita ko further simplify karibo nahi. You cannot do the further simplification. Etiya rakhibo. So fx means 1 plus x square. So this is this function can be expressed. Aapko tome express kariya padibo. You can write even plus odd function. This is the answer. And you can do other two example yourself. Okay. Next we go to another function, that is a periodic function. So periodic function. What is a periodic function? There are some functions where if we add a non-zero constant number in that variable, we will get the same function, and that such type of function is known as a periodic function. Okay, what is periodic function? There are some function, if we add a non-zero constant real number, then you get the same function. तेणु जो फंक्शन रे जदि गोटे नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट नंबर टी ऐड कले जदि सेम फंक्शन आसूची रिपीटली यू गेट द सेम फंक्शन, देन सच टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज नोन एज पीरियडिक फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, trigonometric functions are periodic function. Why trigonometrical function is a periodic function? Because sin theta, you know, sin theta equal to sin 2 pi plus theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta equal to sin theta. This is also known as sin 4 pi plus theta, and this is known as sin of 6 pi plus theta. This is etc. So theta जगह जदि आम 2 पाई ऐड करवा बा थीटा रे 4 पाई ऐड करवा बा थीटा रे आम 6 पाई ऐड करवा, बिकॉज यू नो 2 पाई नियरली इक्वल टू 0 एंड एनी मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 पाई इज ऑल्सो 0. जेहेतु 2 पाईटा नियरली इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री संगे सामान होची ना, सो एटा 0 संगे सामान ला. सो साइन ऑफ 2 पाई प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा. साइन ऑफ 4 पाई प्लस थीटा इज ऑल्सो साइन थीटा. 2 पाई ऐड कले साइन थीटा आसो, 4 पाई ऐड कले साइन थीटा आसो, 6 पाई ऐड कले आसो, 8 पाई ऐड कले भी आसो. सो among these value, which one is the least value? The least is 2 pi. So here sin theta is a periodic function of period 2 pi. ना सब आम लीस्ट वैल्यू काउंट करवा. लाइक दैट cos theta is also cos 2 pi plus theta equal to cos of 4 pi plus theta equal to cos 6 pi plus theta and so on. So cos theta is also periodic function of period 2 pi. Like the tan theta, you know tan of pi plus theta equal to tan of 2 pi plus theta equal to tan of 3 pi plus theta equal to tan of n pi plus theta equal to tan theta. So here tan theta is a periodic function. What is period? Here period is pi. कहीं pi ऐड कले सेटा आसी, 2 pi ऐड कले भी आसियो. So which one is least? So pi. ना नहीं. So tan theta is a periodic function of period pi. Cot theta, since cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so cot theta is also periodic function of period pi. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, so sec theta is a periodic function of period 2 pi, and cosec theta it is also reciprocal of sin theta, so cosec theta is also periodic function of period 2 pi. No. But if we take mod sin x, you know mod sin x equal to sin of pi plus x mod. Now sin of pi plus x equal to minus sin x. Now minus sin x mod equal to mod sin x, because minus x mod equal to x. Okay, so this one is mod sin x. So mod sin x is a periodic function of period pi. It is also sin of 2 pi plus x. It is also sin of 2 pi plus x mod. This is also sin x. So which one is the least value? So pi is the least value. So mod sin x is a periodic function of period pi. Like that mod cos x. So mod cos x means cos of pi plus x. So sin of pi plus x. Pi plus x lies in which quadrant? In third quadrant. Okay, so this is correct. Sin of pi plus x minus sin x hobo. So minus sin x mod equal to mod sin x. That's why the mod sin x is a periodic function of period pi. Cos pi plus x. So cos pi plus x equal to minus cos x mod, and minus cos x mod equal to cos x. So mod cos x is a periodic function of period pi. Okay, so these are known as a periodic function. Okay, are you understand what is periodic function? Now we go to the definition of the periodic function. Definition: a function f of x is said to be periodic function of a period t if f of x plus t equal to f of x. What is t? Where t is least non-negative real number. So t is least non-negative real number. Okay. So least positive real number. Non-negative means तुम्हारा जीरो भी कंसीडर है जो least positive real number. Least positive real number. Okay. So what is periodic function? A function f of x is said to be periodic function of period t if f of x plus t equal to f of x. Like that, if we take fx equal to sin x, then f of 2 pi plus x equal to sin 2 pi plus x, and this one sin x. Okay, so sin x and cos x are periodic function of period 2 pi, tan x and cot x are periodic function of period 2 pi, sec x and cosec x is also periodic function of period 2 pi. But mod sin x, mod cos x is a periodic function of period pi. Like that, sin square x and cos square x is also periodic function of period pi. Okay. Now we write these things. Now we take some function and write its corresponding period. Okay. You know, sin x and cos x are periodic function of period 2 pi. So sin x is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Cos x is also period 2 pi. Cot x and tan x of period pi. Sec x and cosec x are period 2 pi. Mod sin x and mod cos x. Mod sin x and mod cos x is a periodic function of period pi. Sin square x and cos square x is a periodic function of period pi, but mod sin x plus mod cos x, this one is a periodic function of period pi by 2, because if we add x जगह हमें यदि pi by 2 add करवा sin of 90 plus x, you know sin 90 plus x equal to cos x. Cos of 90 plus x means minus sin x, but minus sin x or mod equal to mod sin x, minus x or mod equal to mod x. That's why एडी तमें 90 ऐड कले एटा cos होबो, एडी cos टा 90 ऐड कले एटा sin होबो. So this is we get the same thing. So mod sin x plus mod cos x is a periodic function of period pi by 2. X plus bracket x, sorry, x minus bracket x is also periodic function of period 1. Why it is a periodic function of period 1? देखो, if we take fx equal to x minus bracket x, if we add 1 x plus 1 दा कौन होबो कहलो, this is x plus 1 minus x plus 1 bracket, and this is equal to x plus 1 bracket x plus 1. You know bracket x plus, you know x plus n bracket equal to bracket x plus n, bracket x plus n. So like that, this one is bracket x plus 1 and plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Okay, so now take it bracket the open the bracket open karo. So this one is x minus bracket x, here this is plus 1, this one x plus 1 minus bracket x minus 1, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and this is x minus bracket x, so this one f of x. So f of x plus 1 equal to f of x, so x minus bracket x is a periodic function of a period 1. Okay, so all are the periodic function of a period. Now if we take a sin 2x, what is its period? Sin 2x naba, देखो sin 2x means here angle is 2x, here if we add 1 degree, so sin 2 into pi plus x, sin 2 into pi plus x, जदि आम x जगह pi plus x add करिबा कोन होची, so this one is sin 2 pi plus 2x, but you know sin 2 pi plus 2x equal to sin 2x, so f of 2 into pi plus x, f of 2 into pi plus x equal to sin 2x. That's why sin 2x is a periodic function of period pi. So here if we add pi plus x in place of x, देखो sin 2x अच्छी ना, जदि एडी x जगह हमें pi plus x add करिबा, you will get sin of 2 pi plus 2x equal to sin 2x. So sin 2x is a periodic function of period pi. sin x टा periodic function period 2 pi होगला, किंतु 2x रे तार period टा कमी जाउची, कोन होची से pi add करले same पळे आसीयो. Okay, so next we take another example. If we take fx equal to 2 sin x plus 3, here if we add 2 pi plus x, then you will get the same function. देखो एटी sin x रे 2 multiply कराइछि 2 multiply कराइछि 3 add हेरि अछि नै कि, here जदि हम एक्स्ट्रा रे 2 pi plus add करबा, you will get the same function. तो sin x रो पीरियड टा 2 pi हेले 2 sin x plus 3 रो फंक्शन रो पीरियड टा मध्ये 2 pi हबो, तार तो गोटे मेन फंक्शन सहित गोटे कांस्टेंट नंबर टी मल्टीप्लाई थिबो बा कांस्टेंट नंबर डिवाइड हेथिबो, कांस्टेंट ऐड हेथिबो कि माइनस हेथिबो, द फंक्शन नेवर बी चेंज, द पीरियड नेवर बी चेंज. ओके, तेनु सेम फंक्शन रो पीरियड टा मध्ये सेम हबो, जेमति कि fx टा जदि 2 sin x plus 3 हबो, sin x रो पीरियड टा 2 pi हेले 2 sin x plus 3 its period is also 2 pi. Okay, now we take at conclusion, means we write the one note. This is the very important note for periodic. Note है, if fx is a periodic function, if fx is a periodic function of period t, then period of number 1 a into f of x plus b, then a into f of x plus b माने मेन फंक्शन सहित a मल्टीप्लाई अछि आ गोटे कांस्टेंट टी प्लस होई अछि, एटा प्लस हो कि माइनस हो, प्लस और माइनस, then the period of a into f of x plus or minus b is also t, then period of a into f of x plus or minus b is t. Number 2 a into f of x plus b, देखो ये x थिला ये f of x अछि लाइक दैट, जेतले sin x रो पीरियड टा 2 पाई हेले sin 2x रो पीरियड टा कोन होछि पाई होछि, तार तो 2 पाई by 2 मींस पाई हेला, लाइक दैट जदि एफ एक्स पीरियडटा टी हम एफ ऑफ एक्स पीरियडटा कौन हम ये एक्स सहित ए मल्टीप्लाई होती तेणु यार पीरियडटा हम इज टी बै मोड ए ओके यहाँ -2x थी कि -3x थी जमी भी बाई हम ये लाइक दैट sin x पीरियडटा 2π 2x पीरियडटा कौन हो sin 2x पीरियडटा 2π/2 है सेमती sin 3x पीरियडटा कौन हो 2π/3 हम sin 4x पीरियडटा 2π/4 हम लाइक दैट एफ एक्स पीरियडटा टी हेले एफ ऑफ एक्स पीरियडटा t/a एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस b इट्स पीरियड इज ऑल्सो t/a ओके नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 इफ एफ एक्स एंड gx आर टू periodic function of period t1 and t2 then period of f of x plus or minus gx is LCM of t1 and t2 तेणु एफ एक्स प्लस और माइनस जी एक्स पीरियडटा कौन हम t1 आउ t2 रो एलसीएम नब है दीटा फंक्शन एड करने जो फंक्शन आसो तार पीरियडटा आसो दीटा फंक्शन पीरियड रो एलसीएम नब ओके सो यू रिमेंबर दिस फंक्शंस ऑफ पीरियड नाउ then the period of fx plus or minus gx is LCM of t1 and t2 okay period of sin 3x is dash period of 2 cos of 5x plus 3 is dash then period of tan 3x plus sin 5x is dash okay so what is the period of sin 3x you know the period of sin x is 2π and the period of sin 3x this is 2π/3 because if fx is a periodic function of period t then f of x its period is t/a remember this one okay next period of 2 into cos of 5x plus 3 you know the main function is cos x रो period टा केते 2π एडी कोन अछि x रो कोएफिशिएंट केते अछि 5 अछि तार तो पीरियड कौन हम 2π/5 ओके नाउ आंसर 3 tan 3x plus tan 5x अच्छी एड आई अच्छी तो यार पीरियड बाहर करियो यार पीरियड बाहर करियो दीरागर एलसीएम नब यार पीरियडटा केते tan x रो पीरियडटा कौन पाई ले tan x रो पीरियडटा पाई ले tan 3x रो पीरियडटा कौन हम π/3 हम काहे x रो कोएफिशिएंट 3 अछि अच्छा sin x रो पीरियडटा 2π ले sin 5x रो पीरियडटा कौन हम 2π/5 हम तो यार एलसीएम नबा इट्स पीरियड इज LCM of okay π/3 and 2π/5 so you know LCM of a/b and c/d is LCM of a and b by GCD greatest common divisor GCD of a and c एडी GCD of b and d तेणु गोटे फ्रैक्शनल एलसीएम बाहर करियो मीन्स न्यूमरेटर एलसीएम नब डिनोमिनेटर GCD नब सो यू नो दिस इक्वल टू this one pi and 2π what is LCM of pi and 2π so pi and 2π LCM it's 2π and GCD of 3 and 5 is 1 so LCM period of tan 3x plus tan 5x is 2π okay तेणु दुईटा फंक्शन प्लस हो माइनस हो तार पीरियडटा बाहर कला बेले आम न्यूमरेटर एलसीएम नब डिनोमिनेटर GCD नब ओके LCM of a and c by GCD of b and d so in this way you have to calculate the period of the function okay next Next, remainder function. Okay, so remainder function means let m be a positive integer and n be a integer. Let m belongs to z plus positive integer and n belongs to z be any integer. The remainder function is denoted by Rm of n. Okay, this is known as a remainder function Rmn, where Rmn is a remainder obtained when n divided by m, when n divided by m. ଯେତେବେଳେ n को m द्वारा डिवाइड करिवो, what will be remainder? This is known as a remainder function. And you know, remainder never be negative. It may be 0 or may be positive. Okay, so आमे n को m रे डिवाइड कले जा आसीबो, this is known as a remainder function. So remainder of any never be negative, it may be 0 or may be positive, okay, but it never be negative. So the range of a remainder function is always non-negative integer, it may be 0 or positive integer, and domain of the remainder function is z set, okay. Now the domain, for example, R200 or 111. R2 of 11 means the remainder obtained 11 divided by 2. कौन कराबो 11 को तमे 2 रे डिवाइड करिवो, 2 रे डिवाइड कले आसबो 2 5 जा 10. So this one is a remainder is 1, or you can take a R3 of 105. So 105 को तमे 3 रे डिवाइड करिवो, नहीं 3 3 जा 9, then 1 5, 3 5 जा 3 5 जा 15. Okay, so this one is a remainder is 0. Now R7 of minus 1067. Suppose minus 1267 को आपको तमें जब डिवाइड करियो 1267 को 7 रे डिवाइड करियो 1 7 1 जा 7 नहीं. So it आसबो 5, ये 6 आसबो, तो 7 8 जा 56 0. Now 1 0 is there, 8 तमें 7 नबो हला. So sorry 56 हला, 56 7 8 जा 56, then 0 हला 7 पुनी आसबो 7 1 जा 7. So here it is also remainder is 0. Okay, now if we take another example, R5 of minus 201, तो minus 201. So here तुम ये कौन करियो 201 को 5 रे डिवाइड करियो नहीं कि, तो 5 रे डिवाइड कले कौन आसियो 5 4 जा 20, ये 1 आसियो 0 1 रहिला नहीं कि. सो ये आसियो 1 लेट 0 करियो हला. सो ये रिमाइंडर ये कौन अच्छी माइनस अच्छी. सो रिमाइंडर मस्ट बी हियर मस्ट बी 5 minus 1, दिस इज 4. तो रिमाइंडर टा हमर नेगेटिव होबनी ना 1 रहिला, फेर आथरे आसीबो हमर कोन होछो जेहेतु डी माइनस अच्छी माइनस थी बोले तुम कौन करियो रिमाइंडरटा डिवाइजर टू माइनस करियो सो रिमाइंडरटा जी आसो तुम डिवाइजर टू माइनस करिया पड़ो ओके बिकज जदि 201 था बोले तुम रिमाइंडर 1 लिखि था जेहेतु माइनस 201 अच्छी बोले तुम डिवाइजर टू माइनस करियो सो 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So here remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. So in this way you have to calculate the remainder function. Okay. Okay. So remember this one. जदि तुम डिवाइजर रे माइनस अच्छी बोले रिमाइंडरटा जी आसो से डिवाइजर टू माइनस हम ए आर 50 ऑफ माइनस 201 मीन्स 201 को 5 रे डिवाइड करियो डिवाइड कला पर रिमाइंडर 1 आसला 1 आसला परे तुम से रिमाइंडर टू डिवाइजर टू माइनस करिया पड़ो से आर 7 ऑफ 1267 अच्छी से डायरेक्ट डिविजिबल होना से रिमाइंडरटा 0 लिखिपारे आम है जदि रिमाइंड मनकर 1 आसता बोले तुम माइनस करता से 7 टू 1 माइनस करता ओके सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रिमाइंडर फंक्शन एंड द डोमेन ऑफ द रिमाइंडर फंक्शन इज z set and range must be non-negative integer okay okay so domain of Rmn equal to z and range of remainder function is non-negative integer because any number are divided by m the remainder is 0 or 1 2 3 up to less than m minus 1 ना नहीं m टू सान हम गोटे सान हम 0 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot m minus 1 so the remainder range of the remainder function 0 1 2 3 4 up to m minus 1 okay next algebra function algebra function means how can you calculate addition subtraction multiplication and equality of function now we discuss let fx and gx are two functions with domains df and dg okay df is the domain of f and dg is the domain of dg then f plus g is defined the addition of two functions f plus g is mapping from df intersection dg so the addition of two functions is possible df intersection dg to r its domain must be intersection of two domain to r f minus g is mapping from df intersection dg to r f into g is mapping from df intersection dg to r f by g is mapping from df intersection dg minus set of values x such that g of x equal to 0 to r तेणु f by g फंक्शन डोमेन कौन हम df intersection dg minus x such that g of x equal to 0 to r codomain must be we take subset of real number and domain must be the intersection of two domains okay then 1 by f the reciprocal of the function f 1 by f is mapping from df domain of df minus set of element x such that f of x equal to 0 f of x equal to 0 to r and f into alpha into f is mapping from also df to r where alpha into f of x equal to alpha into f of x alpha into f of x equal to alpha into f of x here f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x f minus g of x the difference of two function equal to f of x minus g of x here f into g of x equal to f of x into g of x and f by g of x where f by g of x equal to f of x by g of x divided, then 1 by f of x, 1 by f of x equal to 1 by f of x. Okay. So in this way you have to calculate the operation of the two functions. So addition of the two functions is possible, intersection of these two domains, two are. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are possible, domain must be intersection of two functions. Okay. So these are known as the algebra of functions. Now we do some problems using algebra. Let f and g are two functions, real functions defined by fx equal to root over x plus 2 and gx equal to root over 4 minus x square. Then find f plus g, number 2 f minus g, number 3 f into g, number 4 f by g, number 5 f into f. So addition, multiplication, subtraction, division are possible only intersection of two domain of that function. तेणु प्रथम दीटाक फंक्शन डोमेन बाहर करा पड़ो, दीटाक डोमेन इंटरसेक्शन बाहर करा पड़ो, इंटरसेक्शन फंक्शन सब पॉसिबल हम. ओके. आंसर हियर fx root over x plus 2, gx root over 4 minus x square. So square root function is defined, square root under must be greater than or equal to 0. fx is defined if x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. That implied x greater than or equal to minus 2, so x belongs to closed interval minus 2 to infinite. So domain df equal to minus 2 to infinite. Okay. Now gx is defined if square root under function 4 minus x square less than or equal to 0. So now make a factorization, 2 plus x into 2 minus x is less than or equal to 0. Okay. Edi x coefficient negative अच्छी minus नहीं जा common, that means x minus 2 into x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Has to make the coefficient of x positive. It minus अच्छी ना, minus टी multiply कले कौन होगा, x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So तब each factor of 0 कले you will get x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 and 2, these are the root of the equation, but we find the value of x where x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So this is the minus infinite and this is the plus infinite. Since all the coefficient of x is positive, so the rightmost region is positive. By x coefficient negative रखी भी करी पारी आमे नहीं कि जदि तुम माइनस टा मल्टीप्लाई करियोनी एटी तुम राइटमोस्ट रीजन नेगेटिव नहीं पारिबो तो बेटर हम सब एक्स कोफिशिएंट पॉजिटिव कला जदि माइनस थी तार साइन टा चेंज करदेव. सो यहाँ पॉजिटिव होची, दिस वन इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस वन इज पॉजिटिव. So x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0, that means we consider the positive part. So x belongs to minus infinite to minus 2 close union close interval 2 to infinite. So domain of dg, domain of a second function equal to minus infinite to minus 2 union close interval 2 to infinite. Okay. Now df intersection dg. So this one minus infinite to, so its intersection देखो फर्स्ट आम df टा नेबा minus 2 to infinite intersection minus infinite to minus 2 minus infinite to minus 2. Okay, union 2 to infinite. So ए दिरा सेट रो intersection. So यार आसी हम देखो first we draw the number line to determine easily. एटा आसियो minus 2 एटा 2 now infinite, this one is minus infinite. तो df टा कौन अच्छी -2 टू इनफिनिट अच्छी एटा हूँ तुम df डोमेन ऑफ फंक्शन देन माइनस इनफिनिट टू -2 माइनस इनफिनिट टू -2 then 2 to infinite so which part is intersection common देखो एटा हूँ तुम df टोटल सेटा ता सहित ए सेट आउ ए सेट्र इंटरसेक्शन पार्टा कौन हम 2 to infinite हम 2 to infinite so this one is the intersection part एटा हूँ इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट आइबो नहीं कि so close interval 2 to infinite close interval 2 to infinite so df intersection dg equal to close interval 2 to infinite therefore f plus g is mapping from close interval 2 to infinite to r whereas f plus g of x f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x and this one root over x plus 2 plus root over 4 minus x square okay then f minus g is also mapping from close interval 2 to infinite to r तेणु इंटरसेक्शन ऊपर डिफाइन करा हबो नहीं कि so f minus g is mapping 2 to infinite to r whereas f minus g of x equal to root over x plus 2 minus root over 4 minus x square like that f into g is also mapping from close interval 2 to infinite to r and f into g of x equal to root over x plus 2 into root over 4 minus x square 4 minus x square and this is one root over 2 plus x here 4 minus x square means 2 plus x into 2 minus x तो 2 plus x 2 plus x 2 plus x square तो square root to cancel नहीं so this is 2 plus x the whole square 2 plus x square into 2 minus x into 2 minus x square so this one 2 plus x into 2 root over 2 minus x into root over 2 minus x okay next f by g next f by g so f by g is mapping from df intersection dg minus set of values of x such that g of x equal to 0 so here df intersection dg means the close interval 2 to infinite minus you have to take the value of x such that g of x equal to 0 g of x means root over 4 minus x square equal to 0 that equal to x equal to plus or minus 2 so a set ru हमको 2 और -2 टा माइनस करिया पड़ियो नहीं के जेतु ए सेट रे -2 नाही केवल 2 अछि so the domain must be open interval 2 to infinite to r and defined by f by g of x equal to f of x by g of x is the root over x plus 2 by root over 4 minus x square and this is x plus 2 by here 4 minus x square root over 4 minus x square this one x plus 2 by 2 plus x into 2 minus x so 2 minus x cancel so 1 by root over 2 minus x okay 2 minus x then f into f is mapping from f into f is mapping from open domain of f so domain of f close interval -2 to infinite to r and defined by f into f of x equal to f of x into f of x so f of x means root over x plus 2 into root over x plus 2 this one root over x plus 2 whole square so square root cancel this is the x plus 2 okay so x plus 2 the root means this is the mode of x plus 2. Okay, root of x plus 2 the square. Now in the next class we do some other problems. Okay, so using this concept you can do all the problems of study material and element book problems of the element textbook. Okay, thank you.